Filling the potholes. Filling the potholes day after day. Road surfaces suffer from all sorts of devastating external effects, unfavorable weather conditions, soil affected by destructive processes, as well as friction of car tires are the causes of potholes. Companies that build roads are forced to fix the road covering the potholes, but they do not always deal with the task in time. Citizens often come to the rescue and sometimes choose very original and creative ways to fix road deficiencies. Human imagination is limitless, so there are countless creative ways to repair a pothole. For example, artist Jim Backer from Chicago has decided to help road sir by filling particularly large and deep gaps with mosaics. First, he fills each hole with mortar and then places a pattern of glass and marble on top. He assembles them at home. Beforehand, the idea of repairing the roads in this way came to the artist. When he visited Pompeii, the man decided that if the glass and marble roads built in ancient Rome have survived to this day, then this technology is suitable for modern roads too. Now it's impossible to confuse his neighborhood with any other part of the city. This is because the roads are flat and the patches on the surface are a true work of art. And although the artist work is technically illegal, the police and road services don't mind it also. No one's going to stop and find the man trying to restrict his creative impulses. Infrared pavement repair. Infrared pavement repair statistics show that every year between 2 and 3% of the surface area of each city's roads wears out in some places where the climate is particularly harsh or where low quality materials have been used. The figure can be as high as 12 to 15%. Cracks and potholes are the most common problem. Before starting the repair, it's necessary to remove the damaged layer. Traditionally, mini excavators with hydraulic hammers, hand hammers, and special cutters are used for destroying the asphalt layer. Today, there is a more efficient, simple, and economical way to remove the old coating thanks to the use of special equipment. Infrared asphalt heaters. Infrared heat softens the road, but doesn't degrade its properties. Bitman does not burn in the process. Not only asphalt, but also concrete, metal, and even thermoplastic can be heated with the help of this equipment. During repair, the first step is to place the heater over the damaged area. The asphalt doesn't take more than 10 minutes to soften. After that, the heater rises and moves to the next damaged area. Workers loosen the surface, add fresh asphalt and rejuvenating agent, and then level the layer. The only thing left to do is roll. The result is a flawless surface that doesn't look like a patch. It should be noted that this form of road repair, unlike traditional methods, allows the amount of materials used to be reduced by half. Shipfill Co-Markings is a company specialized in the production and sale of thermoplastic for road markings. However, a few years ago, the company's experts developed a new thermoplastic with unique properties. Its main feature is that it's suitable for road repair in crude form. Chipfill looks like flakes that are transported in large bags. First, workers heat the damaged surface and then fill it with these flakes. Next, the chip-fill thermoplastic is heated using a gas torch. The material optimally fills the crack or hole and melts with the bitumen. This repair method is ideal if the damage has a diameter or width of 15 to 20 centimeters maximum. Thermoplastic adheres much better to the surface than materials traditionally used for cold repair. The repair process takes only 20 minutes, which is enough to prevent further damage to the road's surface. It should be noted that roads can be repaired in this way all year round as well. The use of bulky and complex road equipment is not required. Hydraulic clamps. Hydraulic clamps while automobile tracks are paved with asphalt slabs are increasingly used as materials for sidewalks and walkways. Here we have an advanced hydraulic POV-laying clamps produced by the German company Hung Klinger. Each machine is equipped with a patented automatic hydraulic control unit. This means that the device can be connected to any construction machine. By contrast, the installation of competing models, which usually have an electrohydraulic unit, is much more complicated and can only work with a certain number of machines. The robot operates in cycles, holding a layer of slabs while the clamps perform lateral and horizontal leveling. The clamps then fix the layer, lift the slabs and place them on the surface. Cycles are repeated over and over again until the walkway is ready. Concrete rollers. Concrete rollers, the last step in creating a concrete floor, whether indoors or Outdoors is to level the surface. It's especially important to perform this step when it comes to building a room. Only if the floor is flat, laying linoleum, laminate, or other similar materials can be done correctly. However, leveling is also important when building parts. Creating a perfectly flat surface without joints is a complex and time-consuming job. Traditional leveling methods are not perfect and require a lot of effort from workers. Curb roller manufacturing offers a solution that will significantly simplify and accelerate this work. The company produces concrete rollers of different sizes and designs. The equipment is powered by an electric generator. The solid roller rolls and compresses the surface to create a perfect surface without any effort. The working width of the roller can be varied so that workers can perform a wide variety of poly-level tasks. Poly-level. The most common reason the surface of a concrete slab becomes unusable is because the soil beneath it shrinks. On the outside, it may appear that poly-level is an ordinary spray foam that shouldn't be used under these slabs. However, poly-level is made of polyurethane and has a higher density. Normally, in order to return the concrete slabs to their original and correct position, special concrete is used. However, for the cavity to fill evenly, it's necessary to make a large number of holes around the entire perimeter, damaging the appearance of the site. The advantage of poly-level foam is that it can be filled through very small holes which are virtually invisible after filling. Another advantage is that poly-level is lighter in weight than traditional mix but has a higher load-bearing capacity. The lifting capacity of the foam is regulated by the components of the composition. Poly levels meet the needs of any construction. Project the polyurethane in the composition penetrates the floor, reinforcing it, which prevents further shrinkage, allowing the coating to be repaired less frequently. And the last advantage is the curing speed. To allow the traditional mix to spread and dry, it's necessary to wait from a few hours to a couple of days. Poly-level dries almost instantly, so the surface can be used again immediately after repair. Hey, stop being lazy. It's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain